Hi there, how are you doing? Today I'm going to share with you how I passed the Fabric Data Engineer Associate exam in my very first attempt. How I went from not even passing the practice exam to clearing the exam with excellent marks. I will talk about the challenges I faced, how difficult the exam really is, and how you can also pass it on your first try. To start off, let me be honest, the exam is difficult. It contains a wide range of topics and it tests your knowledge in each of these sections, and you need a solid understanding in each of these sections in order to clear it. First, I completed the courses provided on Microsoft Learn. These covered the basics like what is Lakehouse, what is data flows, and other key concepts. You may already know them if you work with Fabric daily, but I didn't. So for me, that was the first step. And I completed the entire course in about a week or so. After that, I moved on to practice questions from Microsoft's practice section. And honestly, I struggled. I didn't even score 60% while the passing requirement is 70%. So for the next week, I focused on practicing more and more questions. And that's when I faced the biggest challenge. The practice questions were scattered across so many different sources. One side had 20 questions, another had 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and on top of that, many of these questions were wrongly answered. To solve this, I started making my own questions list. For the answers, I went deep into Microsoft documentation, articles, and also used tools like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. But here I hit another challenge. Sometimes ChatGPT would give one answer, DeepSeek would give another answer, and Meta AI would give another answer. So for those tricky questions, especially scenario questions, I had to spend a lot of time cross-checking with Microsoft's official documents. By the end of this process, I had created a list of more than 275 high-quality questions. And just 3 days before the exam, I practiced most of these questions. And guess what? During the actual exam, more than 80% of the questions were very similar to what I had practiced. And you know what? I was done. I had totally done the exam within 45 minutes. And this exam is about 1 hour and 40 minutes. And I was done within 40 minutes of the start of exam. After I passed, I realized that creating and practicing these questions was my trump card. So I decided to turn these questions into a Udemy course so others don't have to go through the same struggle. It's available on Udemy and I have put the link in the description. For the first 100 people, it's completely free with the coupon code FABRIC100. After that, you can still get 50% off using the code FABRIC50. I do have one small request. I have spent lots and lots of hours finding the questions, finding the correct answers, adding references. So I would very much appreciate if you leave a good rating and also share your feedback in the comments. It will really help others too. So here's my recommendation for clearing the exam in your first try. Start with the official Microsoft Learn course to build your basics and understand what is what. Then practice with structured questions like the Udemy set I have prepared. Finally, schedule the exam beforehand. It can be before 1 week, 2 week, or let's say 1 month. It will be so that you won't be able to procrastinate. You will have the pressure. You will know that you have to give the exam on this specific date, and it will be good for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any issues or any questions, then you can always drop the comment under this video, or you can as simply as email me. My email is in the description, and I will see you in the next video.